wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good evening and to everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to this presentation. In this occasion, we would like to have a presentation from our group member that is from group 4 and also known as Epoxy Merge, our company group. And before the presentation begins, allow us to introduce the presenter. The first panelist and the first presenter is Wan Aisyah binti Wan Zulkifli. Hi, Wan Aisyah.
Hi.
Okay, then the second presenter is No Izzah Fatana, and the third presenter is Ameh Hamzah.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Alright, hi Ameh. Okay, without further ado, I would like to welcome the presenter, the first panelist, to deliver the presentation. Okay, as far as been talked and discussed, what was the product name, despite many ideas has been leaked through these services. Give some description and the specification of the product. The floor is your presenter. What?
All right. Thank you, Mr. Moderator. All right. The product that we will talk about today is epoxy resin merchandise. So what is epoxy resin merchandise? It was a merchandise that based on a polymeric material, which is a material that start with two part of liquid, which is the resin itself and the hardener that will turn into solid throughout chemical reaction once the two liquid combine together. Okay, although it's involved chemical reaction, it's totally safe and not hazardous at all because once it's set into solid, it won't emit any dangerous gas or what so. Okay, it is also a high resistant material to be compared to the other materials such as plastic, ceramic or glasses. Okay, so the product that we came out with it is the merchandise such as resin coaster, keychain, name tag, and phone case. For your information, all of our products are 100% customizable by the customers themselves. Okay, I think I covered pretty much everything about the product.
Okay, thank you, Wan Aisyah. So, thank you for the informative and interesting sharing from what is the description and the specification that is also has been telling us the detail of the product. And as we all know that every company's product definitely have its own strategies to engrave their own branding. So what are the main 4Ps in the epoxy merge? Can you give us some explanation, our second presenter?
Thank you for the moderator. Okay, firstly for the price, we do offer slightly lower price from our competitors since our main target customers from youth and the youngster on social media. And we believe that low price always attract them to get the product. We are able to do so by get our raw material supply in bulk order. Our price range are between 10 ringgit up to 40 ringgit, which is suitable and affordable to our targeted customers. We do seek for the highest quality materials to produce only the best quality product to be on the market. We also have artists that expert in this field to supervise quality check during the manufacturing process to ensure the quality of the products. Secondly, for the places during this pandemic, our business also using social media as a platform to sell the product. We provide two ways, which is postage and cash on delivery as our payment method. For the customer that miles away from our business places, we will post the product using the selected courier, and that will be charged only below 30 ringgit. And for the nearby customer can choose COD, cash on delivery option. It will be around the Bacho, and it is free for customer that live on 1 to 15 kilometer range from us. And for the next 6 to 25 kilometer will be charged from 3 ringgit to 5 ringgit. And lastly, for our promotions for our product, we divide into two categories, online and offline. We promote the product on all social media platforms, which are Instagram, Facebook, and Shopee. We also invest on online advertising for our product, such as Facebook advertisement and Instagram. It will be an advantage for us to make the product easily recognizable and likable. Besides, we still need offline marketing to create a presence in the market by partnering with online shopping platforms like Shopee and Lazada, and it will step up our promotional campaigns. So this make marketing campaigns more agile and cost effective in the long run. And we need to segment the market to ensure so that we reach the intended customer who will be our potential buyers. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to our second presenter, Iza. It is very informative, and it shows that this company is very easy to buy for our target. It has a online platform and also the offline platform that is cash on delivery. So anyone that wants to deal with our product can contact through media social, such as the statement that have been given from our second presenter. Okay, then due to its own uniqueness and the specification, could you share us for the what recommendation that can tackle our product to its fullest? You can go on our third presenter. Give us some
Okay.
information.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Moderator. My answer for the recommendation, yeah, I will say yes. I recommended this Epoxy Racing product merchandise to all the people, especially for the student that like art and craft. It is because our Epoxy Racing product can be customized, the design with what the customer want and what customer like. With the range price is cheap and suitable. It's also lower price to compare with the other competitor. We also provide postage and cash on delivery or COD services to all the customer that want to buy, that live near or far from us. For the customer who never try to buy it, you can try to buy it because it is easy to reach us on the social media. That's why I recommend to all to buy this product. That's my answer.
Okay,
Thank
not
you.
only okay, thank you. Not only it is very eco-friendly, but it is also easy going with the company from the product. All right. Then I would also like to ask the first presenter that from what I have been researched that epoxy resin usually used for the major product such as in boats, floor or others that is major, right? So how can you ensure, how can you make the epoxy resin into a merchandise? What are the process and how do you deliver it to your customer?
Oh, actually, from what we saw before this, the epoxy resin is mainly used in the massive produce like boats, like flooring, like Mr. Marita said before. But when we see another perspective, we can use it as a massive product. So it's very durable. It's not a very it's a very hard, and it resists any corrosion. So it's mean we can make it into a little things that we can embrace it. Like we can embrace, we can bring it everywhere. We can make it exclusive merchandise with it. It's mean it's not like a plastic kitchen. Maybe you can make it another level of exclusive type of merchandise from the same material. Right. And then how we deliver it to our customer, right? Because the question,
Yes. How
uh,
do
uh, we deliver it by postage. We ensure to wrap it very carefully and very neat to make sure it delivered very in a nice, in a great condition. Mhm.
Okay, thank you, Wan Aisha. That is very insurable and very good thing to do for your customer. I would also agree with you. Then my second half of the question is to our second presenter. Okay, what has been done to ensure the product and the services is different from the others in the current market? Could you give us some question to that, Lisa?
Okay. For for our product also use eco-friendly materials such as 100% solid epoxy system formulated with volatile organic compound, which is VOC, and it guarantees high quality raw materials.
Okay, thank you. Then how how does this new innovation could contribute to the society or also to the user? Could you give us the statement for that to our third presenter, Amir?
Okay, thank you for the question. From my side of view, what this new innovation can contribute with the user is about the design. From what I have been talking about, the design, customer can choose the design and choose what they like about the design. Because what we give different from the other company. The design will be limited edition, will be rare to get, and the customer can choose the design from what they like. So our new innovation of the epoxy resin product will be good for all the people and for all the people who like art as a innovation product, and good for the young people, especially for the student. This is why I said that can contribute to the society and user to choose our product, because limitation of the design that's different from the other competitor. That's what our company give.
Okay,
That's
then
no on the other company.
okay, thank you, Amir. Then I
Yes.
also would like to ask Iza, our second presenter, how does the transport of the marketing, such as if the customer is from other country, from outside of Malaysia?
Okay. For the customers from overseas like Indonesia, for example, they can order our product by using Shopee as a platform so that it will give more it will give more easy to them for to get our product. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Iza, for your statement. Then I also would like to ask the first panelist that I'm not so clear about the process of this product, on how does it has been produced and what are the types of the product that you have been described. That is how the oyster works and how does the kitchen. What are the main material that have been used? Like what are the arts in the process?
Okay, for the merchandise itself, we include the art elements such as we can put pressed flower, maybe dried flower, or any type of accessories, maybe some any elements that the customer wanted. Then we will try to deliver it during making the merchandise itself. The process will goes like first the customer will submit their design, and then we'll try to design it on the merchandise itself, and then we'll give the customer the design, then try to get the feedback for the final product, and then we will proceed deliver it to them. Okay, for the material, like I said before, we use two types of liquid, which is the resin itself and the hardener. So when the two types of liquid are combined together, there is a chemical reaction between it, and will cause the liquid mixture become hard and set. From that, we'll create another product out of it. Yeah. I hope
Okay,
it answer your question.
Yes, it
Right.
is. Thank you for Wan Aisha. Then my last question for Amir Hamza. What are
Yes.
the like how do you think that this product is unique from others?
I think it's unique from others because we make this product with a handmade. The product that we make from handmade, we will make sure the quality of the product on the top quality and neat. Our main goal is to make the product the best quality product, to make sure all the customers satisfied with all the products that we make. That's all.
All right. Thank you, Amir. Now that we come to the last thing, I would like to summarize from all of our discussion from today. That is that our product is a metal merchandise that made out of the epoxy resin, which is a very sturdy material, and it is mainly to make an accessory, or you can tell the merchandise, and for our target user daily use to substitute the other plastic material. So from that, we also offer affordable and reasonable to our target user. That is for useful and student mainly. So not only we are using the online, but also we have been using the offline marketing, that is cash on delivery. Then to enclose this meeting, I would like to thank the panelists, Wan Aisha, Amir, and Iza Fatana. Thank you. And I hope we can see for the next time. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.